In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to an email subject line in HubSpot. This process can really help make your emails stand out and create a more individualized connection with your recipients. So let's dive right in and start enhancing those subject lines. First, we need to head over to the HubSpot website, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to HubSpot's official page. You'll want to look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login option. Click on that, and you'll be presented with several login options. If you have a Google account linked with HubSpot, go ahead and click on Sign in with Google. Select your account from the list, and you'll be logged into HubSpot. Now that we're inside HubSpot, we'll move on to the CRM section. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your email templates. In the CRM, locate the option for Message Templates and click on it. This is where you'll manage your subject lines and other email components. Once you're in the Message Templates area, look for the button labeled New Template. Clicking this will allow you to start fresh and craft your email just the way you want it. For our purposes, choose the From Scratch option. This is ideal if you want total control over the content of your email. Having chosen to create a new template from scratch, it's time to give it a proper name. This is important for keeping your templates organized, especially if you plan to create multiple variations in the future. After naming your template, direct your attention to the subject line area. This is where the magic happens. Type in the subject you want for your email, but leave some room to insert personalization. To insert a personalization token, click on the Personalize button, which you should see near the subject line input box. Clicking this will open a list of various personalized tokens you can insert. These tokens pull individual data, like a recipient's first name or company, turning a standard email subject into something much more engaging. Once you've selected your desired token and positioned it in the subject line, you'll see how it integrates seamlessly. The idea is that when your email is sent, HubSpot automatically replaces these tokens with the appropriate information for each recipient. Finally, after you're satisfied with your custom subject line, make sure to hit the Save Template button. This ensures all your hard work is preserved and ready for use whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully added personalization to your email subject line in HubSpot. Thanks for tuning into this guide. I hope this helps you create more engaging and personalized email experiences.